Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Maulida Nazila Zahra. My study number ID is 20523116. And this video I will explain about reading comprehension. What is reading comprehension? Reading comprehension is the ability to read a text, understand its meaning, and interpret the information correctly. It is an essential skill that involves not only recognizing words but also understanding their context and purpose. Good reading comprehension helps individuals grasp the main ideas, draw conclusions, and make connections between different pieces of information. This skill is crucial for academic success, professional growth, and daily life situations, such as reading news articles, books, or instructions. Next is importance of reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is an essential skill that plays a vital role in both academic and everyday life. It helps students perform better in school by allowing them to understand textbook, assignment, and exam questions more effectively. Additionally, it enhances critical thinking skill, enabling individuals to analyze information, draw conclusions, and make informed discussion. Strong reading comprehension also improves communication by expanding vocabulary and helping people express their thoughts more clearly. In daily life, it allows individuals to read and interpret important information, such as news articles, instructions, and documents, making it a fundamental skill for lifelong learning. Next slide is key components of reading comprehension. The first is vocabulary knowledge, is understanding word meaning, and the second main idea, identifying the central message, and the third supporting details, recognizing evidence and example, and fourth is inference, meaning reading between the lines, and the last is summarizing, condensing information. And the next slide is types of reading comprehension. The first type is literal comprehension, is understanding the direct meaning, and the second, inferential comprehension, is about making logical quizzes, and the last, critical comprehension, is about evaluating the text. Next is strategies to improve reading comprehension. The first strategy is preview the text before reading, and the second is while reading. The third is highlight or underline key points, and the fourth, summarize after reading, and the last is practical regularly with different text. Next slide about common challenges in reading comprehension. The first challenge is limited vocabulary, and the second is difficulty understanding complex sentences, and the third is lack of focus or interest, and the last is struggling with inference. This slide about tips to overcome challenges. The first step is read regularly to improve familiarity with words, and the second is speak long sentences into small parts, and the third use context clues to understand unknown words, and the last is take note and discuss with others. In this slide is an example to reading comprehension. Revis passage. Maria woke up early because she had a flight to catch. She carefully packed her suitcase, making sure she had everything she needed for her trip. Before leaving, she checked the weather forecast to know what to expect at her destination. Since it was going to be cold, she decided to wear a warm jacket. After a quick breakfast, she called a taxi and headed to the airport. Upon arrival, she checked in her luggage with thorough security and found her departure gate. While waiting for her flight, she took out a book and started reading to pass the time. And this is example question for this reading comprehension. The first question is, why did Maria wake up early? And second is, why did she check the weather forecast? The question is what did she do before heading to the airport? And the last question is what was Maria doing while waiting for her flight? And the last slide is conclusion. Reading comprehension is a crucial skill that allows individuals to understand and process written information effectively. It is not just about reading words but about making sense of their meaning and connecting ideas logically. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.